to change conversations per page. As you can see right here, guys, now on this page I have 34 conversation, and I want, for example, to add more or add less than this number. All what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top right here and click on this settings option. Now click on see all settings. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many settings. All what you have to do is click here on show conversations per page. Click here and change the number as you want. You can choose up to 100 or 10 per page. Very easy and fast. After you choose the number that you want, scroll down and click save right here. Very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.